Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.